That's what you're going to do if you go over a painted surface. Okay, so this is the old texture, and they pulled down tape and added in lights, so they tore out drywall, put in ductwork. So this is all patched in, and we're going to try to blend it in. So what we're doing is taking a sponge and
Like an edge of it.
in the edge there off, so it's not so noticeable. You still might be noticing it, but not as much if you rub that edge.
It's because the mud creates an edge on painted surfaces.
It just will. So you take a wet sponge, wet it, and then you rub it off so you get it fairly smooth. That's what you're going to do if you go over a painted surface with finishing. See how that's kind of rough? Well, we're going to try to hide that with the texture, but that edge will show inside that texture. If it's, look over here at this.
If someone's painted,
Particularly when it's painted. Yeah.
more so when it's painted than just fresh texture.